I've had many in the community ask me if the stock market will crash now that Joe Biden has taken office as the president of the United States. Or they are saying that they have seen many videos being made about the next housing crash or the next stock market crash. I want to point out that rarely does a stock market crash with the transition of one presidential administration to a new presidential administration. As of today, the stock market seems to be holding steady. Now, the stock market will shift with a new president. Biden is very interested in renewable energy, so that shift sometimes comes from a new focus or a new path forward. But Biden is very interested in renewable energy, making America green, electric vehicles, solar, and more. So you can expect companies whose business models fall into this silo or this focus to do well under a Biden administration. You might see some drop in oil companies or manufacturing as a new administration will certainly make changes to sanctions, tariffs, and policy. So you'll want to definitely keep an eye on your stock portfolio, but I don't believe it's going to come crashing down tomorrow or by the weekend, okay? Typically, you will see a drop or from some kind of large-scale event, some kind of bubble that has gotten out of control and burst, major shift in the economy, some kind of natural event, or some kind of crazy act of war or something like that. Again, these are usually unpredictable and catch people off guard, so it will be up to you to keep an eye on your individual stock portfolio. So the question in my mind isn't, will the stock market drop? Because we know it will, right? It always drops and it always comes back. So the question is, what are you going to do to prepare for when a stock market does come down in value, right? The last 10 years have seen incredible growth, but the stock market usually experiences double-digit drops about every 3 to 5 years. So we've been through an incredible bull run. We should see some kind of bear markets, but those usually will come back over time. You can look for safer options, like I describe in my best-selling book, Taming Wall Street. You can also focus your portfolio on dividend-paying stocks so that you can get some kind of quarterly payment, whether your stock rises or falls with the economy. You can also get out of the stock market altogether or look for safer options or options that you have more control over. Now, there is talk of market correction in the real estate space as real estate has continued to rise quickly even throughout the pandemic. So if you're looking to get into your first home, just keep an eye on the market value for real estate in your area. You may see it come down or you may see it continue to rise. What you don't want to do is buy at the top of the market, right? Now, when you do real estate, the money is made when you buy the property, not when you sell it. So make sure your numbers work out, whether you're doing a flip or a rental property. If the numbers don't work out from day one, then don't get in hoping they'll work out on day two, right? You have to go into a real estate deal knowing how you're going to make money. Now, I'll continue to update my community and share other interesting stock picks and other smart money tips over 2021. I hope this helped answer some of the questions that I'm getting over and over again in the community. As I wrap up, I wish to remind you that you are amazing. I appreciate you being in my community, and I'll see you on the next video.